Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, April the 11th, 2025. You know, at the end of each month, Darko does a complete top-down analysis on all the currency pairs, showing exactly what he's expecting for the upcoming month based on what he's seeing in terms of, price action and candlesticks and trend and all that kind of thing. And at the end of March, he showed our members, in advance of course, as he always does, a buy setup on the Euro Australian dollar pair with all the supporting reasons, of course. He then provided another video, which is what you're going to be seeing just shortly here, showing exactly how he was managing this trade. Okay, and you're going to see it in very, very specific detail. And when you see this video, now this trade ended up moving up over 1,200 pips into profit to a very nice weekly level of expected weekly resistance. And by the way, listen, I am not saying that this is how much everyone made, because it all boils down to trade management, and not everyone manages their trades the same. In fact, everybody manages them a little bit differently, different risk tolerances, psychological factors, etc. But with guidance such as what Darko showed in this video, your chances of consistent profitability go way, way up. Before I show you Darko's trade management on the Euro Australia dollar pair, I want you to know that we've received many, many testimonials letting us know how much our services have helped. I think it just, provides a level of comfort when you hear how other traders are doing. And I'm just going to read one out here. I have lots and lots of them. But I just want you to know that our approach to trading any tradable asset, could be stocks, commodities, whatever it is, truly is something that anyone can learn. So just have a quick look at this here. Let me bring this up. And this is from one of our members, Yusuf. He said that the journey to becoming a skilled price action trader is not an easy one. It takes hard work, dedication, and persistence. But with the right guidance, the path becomes much easier. Being part of this community under the mentorship of Darko and Vic has been an invaluable experience. Their commitment to their students and their craft is truly phenomenal. The content, pre-market analysis, and training materials are all there to be studied, but with ultimately success comes down to the individual trader's will and hunger to grow. 4 years ago I began this journey, and today I can confidently say that I can read price at a deep level, something I once only envisioned. I wouldn't be where I am today without the membership and support of Darko and Vic, and I wouldn't want to be part of any other trading community. And I think it just like I said, we have lots of those, and we are so proud of that, and so happy to see that, what we're providing is turning around trading for people. It takes varying amounts of time. Some people get onto these things very, very quickly, a few months into it, and they start to really grasp the concepts. But it's not a race. This is just, you go at your own pace and get into it, because it's can be exactly what you envision for your own trading. Okay, anyway, I'll leave it at that. Here we go. This is the trade management analysis that Darko provided once this trade on the Euro Australian dollar pair was filled. Take a look.
So Euro Aussie. So for Euro Aussie, obviously the trend is still up. I won't be changing my bias down. So if price is retracing deeper, then we just need to find another level of support and wait for price to touch that level. The next level of support that I see is this level. Okay, so before we do that, we need to see what price is doing currently as I'm speaking. So the entry was here. Okay, and price is breaching through that level, which is completely fine to start with, but I don't want price to breach this low. If we close below this swing low, I will be trailing my stop loss back to break even for an exit. Okay, and if this happens to go up, I'm okay with that. Then I will just re-enter when that opportunity gives, because based on if we breach and close below that level, okay, then price is probably heading down. Then I will just regroup. Okay, so I will just be looking for the next level of this bullish flag. So this might be heading down to that next level of support before heading up. Okay, and at some point we will get a new entry along the way. So breaching close, then I will trade my stop loss to break even to exit, or I get stopped out before getting back at break even.
So here's what's interesting. I'm recording this video on Wednesday evening Pacific time. I have no idea what's going to happen between now and Friday. And Darko also had no idea if this Euro Australia dollar trade would be profitable or not. What he did know is that the setup gave us an edge. These usually work out, not always, of course. And, obviously we had no idea that the, U.S. was going to pause the tariffs for 90 days, and you saw the stock market go flying up. But we didn't have to know. We had our edge. We traded it, period. So with an analysis like this, where Darko shows the traders in advance where his pending order is, how he's going to manage it once he's in it, it's pretty hard to go wrong, right? So, and the point of this video is to underscore the vital importance of having a rock-solid trading plan in the first place, and that you stick to it. It's just not an option. So however you trade, just be sure that you know exactly what it is that will get you into a trade. Obviously, it has to be an approach that gives you a proven edge. What it is that will take you out of a trade, and exactly how you will manage that trade, whether it goes in your favor or not. So you get that part of your trading under control, and you're going to be light years ahead of most other traders. And if you don't have a proper trading plan, then hopefully you got some value out of this video and some ideas that will be helpful. Okay, wrap it there. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great weekend and trading week ahead. Take care.